Good morning, everybody. I'm Xunhua Zheng from China. Here I present the update of our network on landscape management of agricultural systems. For this research network, our work is currently mainly focusing on the development of the cinema DNDC model. This is a high-resolution process-oriented hydrobiological model. It is designed as a family member of the DNDC model and is expected to be a core working model of this research network. Since last meeting, the model has been updated mainly in three aspects. The first update is upgrading the model from version 1 to version 2 through adding plant-mediated soil pH changes and revising the heat conductivity and energy balance for the regions with seasonal or permanent frozen soils. The second update is adapting the originally designed three-dimension modes of the model to both single and three-dimension modes of the model for simulation with hourly to daily temporal resolutions. The next update is modifying the model through introducing a new mechanism for simulating ammonia volatilization from flooded nets such as paddy rice fields. The updated model was validated using observations in subtropical tea plantations and alpine ecosystems and croplands in the regions with seasonally frozen soils. In addition, field observations of greenhouse gas emissions from maize fields in western Kenya were implemented for further validation of the updated model. We also have designed Excel worksheets and R-based program for model input and for preparation of field observations for model validation, which are needed for application convenience by different DNDC users. On communication for the model, as the leader of our research network, myself was invited to present development progress of this model as 2 university seminars, 1 keynote speech at a national-wide conference in China, and 1 invited poster in the AGU4 meeting of this year. For the updated model, we have published 1 paper recently and has submitted 2 papers. Both are under review. And we are going to submit another paper on the model update. Regarding research opportunities, we suggested 2 priority topics. One is to test or validate the updated model through using comprehensive field observations in different terrestrial ecosystems, landscapes, or catchment, which are subject to worldwide natural conditions or different management practices. For this purpose, we are calling for international research cooperation with GRA members or other countries and organizations. The other topic is to further improving the ability of the updated model through introducing processes of soil erosion into the model program codes, and so as to enable simulation of hydrological transfer of particle carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus, and through modifying the model source codes to enable application of the model for complex cropping systems or agroforest with intercropping or interplanting features. On capability opportunities, we suggest 3 topics. One is to apply for bilateral or multilateral cooperation research projects. The second is to identify opportunities of cooperation with the integrative research group of GRA for using this model as a modeling tool or decision-making tool. The last topic is to identify opportunities of international students in the University of the Chinese Academy of Sciences. Through the following slides, I try to show the validation of the updated model. These slides are for the validation in the subtropical tea plantations, and this slide for the validation of ammonia volatilization from croplands and multiple field sites. This slide for validation of cultivated cropland, cultivated black soil in a cool temperate region. And this validation mainly focuses on the nitrate leaching out of soil profile. And these slides are for the validation of alpine ecosystems with seasonal frozen soils. The validation shows that the updated model has greatly improved the simulations not only soil factors, but also emissions of methane and nitrous oxide from the alpine ecosystems, including alpine wetland, meadows, and forests. And this is the worksheets we designed for users to prepare for the input data of the model. And this is the worksheet for users to prepare for observational data for model validation. So that's my presentation, and thank you very much for your attention. And I wish all of you all the best, and thank you very much again.